In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document into a PDF file. Whether you're looking to preserve the formatting of your document, share it with others who may not have Word, or simply create a final version that ensures readability across different devices and platforms, converting your Word file to a PDF is an essential skill. We all know how frustrating it can be when file formats aren't compatible, or when the careful formatting we've done in a document all gets jumbled when opened elsewhere. That's why the PDF format, standing for Portable Document Format, is so widely used. It maintains the look of the original document, no matter which device or software is used to open it. Now, let's walk through the process. First, begin by opening your Word document. Once you've opened the file, take a moment to review it and ensure that everything looks as it should. This is your chance to check that any images, tables, or formatting elements appear as intended, because once converted to a PDF, changing these visuals can be a bit more complex. After you've double-checked your document, it's time to start the conversion. Head over to the top left corner of your Word window and click on the File tab. This is the starting point for saving your document in a different format. The File menu might not be unfamiliar to you, but it holds many features that are not always used, such as exporting your document. Clicking on File will bring you to a new page with several options lined up on the left. Here, you'll want to find and click on Export. What this option does is navigate you away from simply saving a file as usual by offering alternatives to create different kinds of files. It's perfect for our current task of converting files. On the Export page, you'll see a list of choices. You should select Create PDF /XPS or simply PDF, depending on your version of Word. Once you've selected this, choose to download as PDF. At this point, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose where on your computer you'd like to save the PDF file. This box also lets you rename the file if necessary and select specific export options to meet your needs. Before finally saving, consider double-checking your file location and name to ensure you can easily find it later. When everything is set, click Publish or Save depending on your software version, and your Word document will be converted into a PDF file. Congratulations! You have successfully converted your Word document into a PDF file. This new file will maintain the integrity and appearance of your original document while allowing you to share it easily. Remember, the PDF format is not only versatile, but a crucial element in professional and personal document management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial